What's up, YouTube? It's that time of the year again. 4th of July coming around. Got some stuff to show. Looks like everyone's posting their stashes, so I thought I'd join the party here. I'll just start off rather quickly. Got some shells here. These are got ganja 6-inch. Got a case of those, 72. Got a case of the hydros. Those guys. Some rockets. Some big boys. This one's actually mixed. Terrans. Got to try out some flash rockets. Got a case of the Dragon Lords. It's a cool novelty here. This is a magic floating ghost. All the helicopters actually fused together. Very cool. GFE. And then the majority, 1-1s. Yippee-ki-yay. Got Yoshi, 192. Got California King, 200 shot. Mort. Submarine. Avalanche. Got 2 of the Howlings. Really cool effects. Got Masterpiece. Oh, well, that's not a 1-1, but a Consumer Laser Chaser. Got another big one. Corona Liquidator. Got the original Corona last year. I'm trying out something else. City of Dreams. Grogu. Massive Cake. Maniacal or Maniacal Dragon. Either one. Got a Death Star 2-1. Really nice long duration at least for the size. A Whomping Willow. Nice 9 on the board. That's really about it. Got limited space on a dock I'm shooting. So I was trying to limit to 1-1s. That's it for this year. Got some nice stuff.